Welcome to Firearm Basics for Dummies. In this first episode of the series, we're going to go over some of the differences between revolvers and pistols. Revolvers have their ammunition stored in a cylinder, which you can pop open and place the ammunition inside. Once you close it, each time that you pull the trigger, the cylinder will both rotate and the gun will fire. Semi-automatic pistols, on the other hand, have their ammunition stored in a magazine. The magazine will then feed the ammunition up into the chamber of the firearm, where it will fire each time the trigger is pulled and until the magazine runs out of ammunition. Join us next week where we'll go over some more firearm basics for dummies.